Hey Nash, what should we make?
Memorial Day is coming up, so we should grill something. I can't decide between hot dogs or burgers, so let's make burger dogs.
All right, let's make burger dogs. Memorial Day is right around the corner, so we gotta make some Memorial Day cookout, grill, barbecue kind of stuff. So I was like, what's more American than hot dogs and hamburgers? Because that's what you're probably gonna serve at your basic, we got different tiers. But the basic cookout, the basic Memorial Day party, neighborhood gathering, whatever, is hot dogs and hamburgers. So I couldn't decide which one, or a version of one that is kind of standout-ish. So I figured, what the hell, let's make burger dogs. American burger dogs. That's right. So that's what we're gonna do. Burger dogs. Memorial Day, American burger dogs. Without further ado, let's go. So the concept is simple. We're gonna take ground beef and make patties, but instead of patties, they're gonna be dogs. And then we're gonna put them in a hot dog bun. So it's a burger dog. Pretty simple. I'm not sure why I had to explain it. Anyways, so first thing we do is take some plastic wrap. You don't have to do it this way. You can just do it with your hands. I'm just attempting to make, I don't even want to say the word pretty, because if I do, I'm sure this is gonna turn out ugly as hell, but it is what it is. We got a pound of ground beef. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a 1/3 pound dogs or 1/4 pound dogs. I'm gonna go with a 1/3 pound dogs because this is 80-20, so it's gonna shrink. This is what we got. So we don't wanna mess with it too much. So I'm just gonna kind of, with as little effort as possible, turn it into a ball. Just kind of roll this into a log. That actually looks pretty good. Let's try and even it out a little bit as best we can. Then we're just gonna take this guy, roll it up. So there, we got a burger dog, or a burger dog patty thing. I don't think we can reuse this. We're gonna have to get more. So there's our dogs. They look a little big. Looks like small, medium, large, whatever, it'll work. But it's 80-20 beef, so I'm banking on it shrinking quite a bit, which I think it will. So, hey, we're giving this a try for the first time. So let's, we'll be optimistic. And we're just gonna give these guys each a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic for seasoning. We got them each seasoned nicely. Then we have our potato buns. We're gonna take these out to the grill. So we have our cast iron griddle on the grill. We got our potato buns. We're just gonna sort of gently spread these guys open and give them a little bit of a griddle. I say gently because you don't want to break them. Like, you don't want to totally separate them. We just want to give them a light toast. We don't need anything too crazy. As soon as we have a little toast, and we'll just take these guys off and set them aside. Then we put our guys down. And then because these are gonna be thick in the middle, we wanna probably kind of roll them around a little bit pretty often so they don't burn, but they do cook. And because they're not in a casing or anything, they're a little bit delicate. So you wanna kind of be a little bit gentle. When our dogs are almost done, we can go ahead and put some cheese on them. All right, once your cheese is basically melted, maybe cheap American cheese was not the best choice. Not usually my favorite, but I figured, it's an American holiday. American cheese just seemed right. But anyways, we'll take our guys off the grill. So then we got our buns. So we're gonna do like a deconstructed burger sauce here. So we're just gonna do a little bit of Japanese mayo. And then put our guy right there. I thought they'd be too big, and they ended up shrinking to almost too small. I mean, they're girthy boys, but should have made them longer. Oh well, it's all right. Then just gonna put a little bit of mustard. I don't have any like yellow mustard, so we're using this like fancy stone ground stuff. And we'll do a little bit of ketchup. There we have our Memorial Day burger dogs. America, American burger dogs. Time for a bite. Cheers. I love a dog, but I love a burger more. This is kind of amazing because it's like the hot dog, but it's a burger. Anyways, I'm obviously not the first person to do this, but I've never tried it. I've never had it. I've never even seen one in person. They're pretty awesome. I highly recommend them. If you're gonna make like smash burgers, obviously that's easier, but this is just kind of cool. So, I mean, it's delicious and it's kind of a cool presentation, so people might love it. So hey, if you're hosting some sort of a Memorial Day party or any sort of party or any sort of summer gathering or just for your kids, make this because it's kind of cool and I think they'd love it and they'd appreciate it and delicious. So go make it because it's tasty. Speaking of tasty, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm not as good as I could be, but better than I should be.
Well, check it out. We got these Memorial Day burger dogs you wanted. Well, here you go. That was a big bite. Did you have to unhinge your jaw like a python? Because you're good at that. What do you think?
Wow, that's good. I mean, it may be a little gimmicky or just for show, but it's fun and delicious.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
With great power comes great responsibility.
Okay, Spider-Man. Nash approves, I approve. Look, this is delicious. It's a great idea for Memorial Day or any cookout, any barbecue, or just like I said, for cooking for your kids. I think they'd love it. So hey, go try it. And hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Happy Memorial Day to you and yours. Until next time, peace.